my channel. Welcome to Weekly's Nuggets. Alright guys, so I know that I've been talking all this while, and today I decided to go out to Lekki Conservation Center and bring you guys along. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. This is my first vlog here, and I hope you guys are going to have an amazing time. So I'm going to go around, and everywhere I go to do recording, carry you guys along, and yeah, everything. Finally got into the end. I mean, exercise I've not done in a long time because I'm panting heavily. It was a long walk. Hello guys, have you subscribed to my channel? And I hope you're enjoying this video. Do not hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let me just continue. So I think so done with this tour. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, do want to like, share, and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so when I post a video you'll be the first to watch. Alright guys, see you in my next one. Bye.